We're washing the famous Ford 1964 Coupe with the Zi-400 Ultra. Perfect product for a beautiful car. Let's see how we go. The Zi-400 Ultra has a light foam, but it is very, very strong. It's a beautiful blend of the surfactants, surface active agents, and corrosion inhibitors. So it feels fantastic to put on. It's something that you have to experience. It's very different to every other product. Oh, the Zi-400 Ultra, how good is that? It's come up absolutely magnificently. Well, the result speaks for itself. It's looking beautiful. The owner is very happy. He seems to think it's saved him a lot of time, which is one of the great benefits of the Zi-400 Ultra. Thanks very much. Have a great day.